Hello everyone! Today I'm going to guide you through the process of installing the most recent Mac version of Endnote, a powerful citation management tool that will make your research and writing much easier. There is a separate video for installation on a PC Windows computer. Please note that the licensing for this software is only available for OHSU students and employees. If you are using an OHSU managed Mac computer, this software can be downloaded and installed directly through the OHSU self-service app. Just go to the OHSU self-service app, search for Endnote, then follow the basic installation steps, agreeing to any licensing questions and using any defaults that are offered in the process. For the installation to work properly, make sure you have closed any Microsoft programs, including Outlook and Word, before you begin. To install Endnote on your personal computer, first go to the OHSU Library homepage, scroll down to Quick Links, and click on Guides. Open the Endnote guide, then click the How to Get Endnote tab. This tutorial is for new users of the program. If you have a library from version X9.2 or earlier, you will want to read through these instructions. New users will want to install the latest version. Click on the Endnote for Mac subtab, then Endnote 21 for Mac. Follow the link to download the newest version. From this screen, click on the download arrow located in the upper corner. Go to your Downloads folder and click on the Endnote Installer zip file. Click to unzip it. Then click the unzipped installer file. Now you will see a box with the Endnote icon. Click on it to begin the installation. Agree to any permissions. You will also need to install any available updates. The first time you open Endnote, you'll be prompted to create a new library or open an existing one. For now, let's create a new library. Give it a name and choose a location to save it. Make sure to save it in your local computer files, not in OneDrive or another cloud storage system, as that can make Endnote not work correctly. You also want to install the Endnote Click Browser extension, which makes it easy to import references on the fly. It works with Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, and Opera if you have the Chrome extension. Just search for Endnote Click in your browser and click the Add button. The first time you use it, you will need to create an account. Fill it out with your name and OHSU email. Then, search for Oregon Health and Science University to connect it to the account. That's it! You're now ready to start using Endnote and the Endnote Click Browser extension to manage your citations and references. For technical assistance with Endnote software issues, contact their customer service team through endnote.com. As always, if you have any other questions or need further assistance, please reach out to the OHSU Library. You can do that from the Contact Us tab at the top of the OHSU Library homepage or by following these links.